friends, today we are going to do the poem A Thunderstorm. The wind began to rock the grass with threatening tunes and low. He flung a menace at the earth, a menace at the sky. The leaves unhooked themselves from tree and started all abroad. The dust did scoop itself like hands and throw away the road. The wagons quickened on the streets, the thunder hurried slow. The lightning showed a yellow beak and then left a claw. The birds put up the bars to nests, the kettle fled to barns. There came one drop of giant rain, and then, as if the hands that fled the dams had parted hold, the waters wrecked the sky, but overlooked my father's house, just quartering a tree. Friends, this interesting poem is written by Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson was born in Amherst, Massachusetts, and is widely considered to be one of the two leading 19th century American poets, besides Walt Whitman. However, only 10 of Emily Dickinson's nearly 1800 poems are known to have been published in her lifetime. A complete collection of her poetry became available for the first time when scholar Thomas H. Johnson published the poems of Emily Dickinson in 1955. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.